வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா டிசம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 3 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ். So first one, what species is நீலக்குறிஞ்சி which was recently seen in the news? So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா flower. So Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change added நீலக்குறிஞ்சி flower on the list of protected plants under Schedule 3 of Wild Protection Act 1972. Which state introduced factories bill to enable factories to have flexible working hours? So it is the state of Tamil Nadu, introduced in 2023. Which Indian state implements the Pudumai Pen scholarship scheme for girl students? So it is the state of Tamil Nadu, introduced by the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, launched phase 2 of Pudumai Pen scheme scholarship scheme for girl students. Where was the 7th edition of Japan-India Maritime Exercise 2023 held? So it's held in Visakhapatnam from 5th to 10th July 2023. In 2023, Portugal football team captain Cristiano Ronaldo joined the club Al Nassr of which country? So it's the country of Saudi Arabia. Where is the Aeronautical Development Agency established at? It's established at Bengaluru. Bengaluru-based Aeronautical Development Agency. As per a recent report, direct link was found between deforestation of Amazon rainforest and temperature changes in which country? So it's among Tibet. Which Indian state is the Yonex Sunrise India Open 2023? So it's to start in New Delhi. 1,000-year-old Viking Hall has been recently unearthed in which country? So it's in Denmark. Which country passed a law that allows people over 16 years of age to change their legally registered gender? So it's in Spain. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.